Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Tuesday morning, 22nd day of March. Time as I make this is 3:44 a.m. Hi, my name is Rich. We have a formidable storm system to deal with today. It caused some big tornadoes yesterday, and it's moving across the lower Mississippi Valley towards Alabama today. The greatest threat of severe weather is in the western counties, but all of us are in a severe weather threat. And all modes of severe weather are on the table, including the threat of tornadoes. For a lot of us, this will happen this evening and tonight and into the overnight hours. And of course, because it's happening in the overnight hours, that's a very dangerous situation. So on this video, I'll bring you up to date on the threat level, the timeline, and what else to expect, including we have a wind advisory in effect and some potentially very heavy rainfall as well. We'll also look ahead to a nice period of tranquil weather following the storm system. I'm glad you're here this morning. Let's get into the details.
This is the map at 1 o'clock today showing the storm system near the Arklatex region and strong to severe storms covering Louisiana and Mississippi at that hour, moving on eastward. By 7 o'clock, the front has made it into central Mississippi. Powerful thunderstorms affecting west Alabama at that hour, moving on eastward. I'm going to show you future radar that takes you through the afternoon and evening hours until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and you can see the storms marching across the state at that hour. One of the high-res models at 2 a.m. has the line of storms stretch right through central Alabama at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's just one model idea. So the Storm Prediction Center has the level 2 risk as far east as, let's say, Tallahassee and Troy through 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and the enhanced risk covering west Alabama, even a level 4 moderate risk nosing into west Alabama. That's where the greatest threat of tornadoes will be as we go through the daytime hours and into the evening hours tonight. Then, starting at 7 a.m. on Wednesday, notice how the threat shifts southeastward into southeast Alabama and into the southeast coast on Wednesday. So showers and storms become likely by later on this afternoon and this evening. Today's high easily 76, tonight's low 54. Gusty southeasterly winds as high as 35 miles per hour. A wind advisory is in effect. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., the front has made it out of Alabama, and still some showers and storms continuing across southeast Alabama, but then nosing out of the state. And then Thursday is a much cooler day, but a nicer day. We're in the 60s. So we get into a storm-free pattern for a few days. Friday is cool, but it's going to be a nice day, and I think we're up around 70 on Saturday. Should be a nice weekend with plenty of sunshine. And again, storm-free for several days. Sunday's also a really, really, really nice day. So after we get through this storm system, we get into a tranquil period. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible in southeast Alabama, 2 to 3 inches perhaps in central Alabama, and then it gets much heavier as you get into western and northwestern Alabama. Potential wind gusts 35, 40 miles per hour, not out of the question. We have a wind advisory in effect with this storm system as well. So let's look at the next few days. The risk of rain continues through Wednesday morning, mostly Wednesday morning, with a high around 74. Then we're in the 60s on Thursday and Friday. Lows at night, chilly in the 40s. And then we're up to about 70 on Saturday after a chilly start. And then it looks like upper 60s on Sunday, but a pretty nice weekend forecast. Our weather app will be your best friend during this storm situation because it has instant push notifications for severe weather alerts because it knows where you are. Plus radar, future radar, 6 hourly forecasts, 10-day forecasts, access to these videos, and a whole lot more. You can even see where the lightning is. It's just a great app to have. Get it on your phone or tablet today. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather.
All right, that's all I have for you this morning. Everything is normal this morning, which includes live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking weather on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32 this morning. Ryan and I have already been texting several times about this storm situation developing as we go through the evening hours tonight. And we're also going to be, there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Obviously, I'll be available for severe weather coverage, no doubt about it, later on this evening and tonight. And we'll keep you up to date the best way we possibly can. Our weather app will instantly alert you when there's a severe weather watch or warning for your location. All right, stay weather aware. I know you will. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.